Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm Chelsea Cush. I am going to be doing a huge spring cleaning video. I'm going to be cleaning all the stuff that has been neglected for months and just getting everything ready for spring. And I'm so excited that I'm doing a collab with one of my friends, Amaya, and she's amazing. I'm going to insert the clip right here before we get started with my video so you can see what she's all about and why you need to follow her. She posts cleaning videos, cooking videos, and organization videos. So if you're struggling to find a new meal, you need some ideas, or some cleaning motivation, just go check out her channel and let her know that I sent you. So the first thing I did was took everything off of my little table. It's actually a sewing table. There's like a sewing machine inside. It's pretty cool, but it was hella dusty, so I sprayed it with my natural cleaner, and I wanted to just make it nice and pretty, so I got some beautiful white roses and I put them in there with a vase. And then now I'm going to be diffusing my favorite spring oil. It's like my new favorite oil. It's lemongrass. It smells so fresh and amazing. I'm obsessed with it. And then I'm going right to the couches. So half of my couches have been cleaned already because my kids like spilled a bunch of crap on there. So I'm gonna be washing in the washer the other cushions that haven't been washed. Like, you don't realize how dusty your couches be getting from just dogs, kids, people. They get so nasty. Like, if you wash them, like open the washer and look at that water, it's gonna be nasty. Like, it really gross you out. So make sure spring cleaning, you clean your couches, and you'll definitely find some treasures under the couch, especially if you have kids. Like, you'll be shocked what you find under there. I'm also grabbing my bathroom mats in both of our bathrooms and taking those out to clean them so they're not nasty. And then obviously I have to vacuum the underneath of my couch because there's crumbs, there's popcorn, you know the drill. I'm just going through with my shark vacuum. I'm obsessed with my vacuum. I love it. And I'm just going to be vacuuming all the underneath. So that table in the corner, see how it's dark brown? It's a beautiful like wood color. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you think I should paint it white? Because I really want to lighten things up in my house. I got some new white throw pillows for my couch because I want to lighten things up. It just seems like my house is so dark all the time. We're in a rental, so we can't really do much like paint or anything. But I think that white would make a huge difference on that table. And also the bookshelf right there, if you can see behind me. It's black. I think I want to paint that white too, or either get another one. So let me know in the comments if you think that would be cute to just paint it white. So my couch that I've already cleaned, I'm just going to freshen it up just for the sake of things, but I'm using my favorite DIY carpet and like furniture deodorizer. It works so freaking well. I learned how to use this, how to make this like about a year ago, and basically it's just citrus fresh oil and baking soda. So just a bunch of drops to like 1 or 2 cups of baking soda. You sprinkle it on your couch or on your carpet or wherever and let it sit for a few minutes and then vacuum it up. And I'm telling you, it freshens it up so well. It takes out any like smells, or you know, like furniture can just like absorb smells, whatever that may be, how nasty that sounds, but like from people sitting on them or spilling, you know. And this works so well to just freshen it up without having to like wash your whole thing. So I usually do this between washes and I love it. So I use really high quality therapeutic grade essential oils. That's what I use to make the deodorizer and the lemongrass oil, and then my natural cleaner that I spray everything with and I clean everything with. And I'm also a distributor, so if you like don't know anything about oils and you're looking to start somewhere, just send me a message or an email, message me on my Instagram, and I can send you like a free PDF download so you can like learn a little bit more about oils and how they're amazing, and I freaking use them like every single day. So yeah, just let me know. So next I'm just taking everything off of my fireplace besides my speaker because it's plugged in and it's like really short cord, so I don't want to like rip it out of the TV. And I'm just dusting with one of those Swiffer dusters, and I'm gonna take my natural cleaner and just kind of shine it up, clean it. It doesn't get cleaned often, so it's like nasty and dusty, you know how it is. So I'm just going through there and cleaning it. And then my fireplace is really like gunked up just because my kids touch it all the time and there's like little fingerprints everywhere. So I'm just going through and spraying it with my natural cleaner. I should have grabbed my DIY window and mirror cleaner. I wasn't thinking, and now that I'm watching the video I can see the glare. But if you clean it with the window and glass cleaner that I made, it doesn't leave any streaks, and I really like doing that. I have a really good hack for you guys if you have fake houseplants. I don't have the stuff to clean it, but if you have the canned air that you use to clean up your keyboard, like in an office, spray your plants with that, and it seriously will get all the dust off, and then you can like kind of polish it with like a towel or something, but that gets all the nasty dust off like super easily. Next, I'm just dusting my blinds with the Swiffer, and they weren't really dirty, so I didn't have to like scrub them or wipe them down. I just dusted them. And then I'm going to go and clean my windows with my DIY window cleaner and a microfiber cloth. On another note, if you guys have kids that are preschool age or like elementary age, you need to put on this Katie's Classroom YouTube that I have going on right now. She does like live preschool lessons and music, and my kids are obsessed with it, and it's really educational and really cool. So it's called Katie's Classroom with a C. I'll probably link it below if you guys want to check it out. My kids love it. So since we moved our coffee table, like obviously I can tell that we need to get our carpets cleaned, but I just wasn't doing that right now. So what I did was just took the natural deodorizer that I used before on the couches and just sprinkle it on the dog bed, on the carpets, and this helps to just get smells out like I said before. So if you want to just freshen up your carpets without having them cleaned, having them like deep cleaned, then this is a super easy and like cheap way to clean them. So this is the first time I've ever lived in a house with a ceiling fan, and I didn't know that I don't know, maybe that's like stupid, but I didn't know that you had to clean them that much. Like I thought they just did what fans do and like make you cool. I did not know how disgusting they were until I was like, oh, I should just clean the fan. And I got up there and you can see all the nastiness like clumping off and falling onto the ground. Disgusting. Like if you have a fan, you need to look at the top and see how disgusting they are and clean it. Just do it. This fan is right next to our back door, and we always have the door open. We're always having bonfires in the back, and like we have dogs and kids, so I feel like a lot of stuff just like, oh, that's so gross. I don't even want to watch it. I was gagging when I was cleaning this up, but that's why there's just like a lot of stuff up there. But maybe that's just an excuse, but I don't know. Obviously, my next task is to clean the tables, so I'm just using my cleaner And this table is like a really beautiful wood table, and it has a glass top onto it. So I'm just like scrubbing it down and cleaning it. I really need to clean the underneath, but Brandon wasn't home and it's super heavy, so I cannot lift it by myself. But sometimes, like if you can see specks, it's under the table, like stuff gets under there and it's really hard to get it out. So yeah, I need to clean the underneath. But meanwhile, I have to clean the top, so I'm just using my cleaner and a microfiber. I love using microfibers just because they don't streak and they clean really well. And I don't know, if you guys have kids, like, does the side of your table get nasty? Because I swear, only where my kids eat, it's like disgusting. Like, they freaking spill so bad. My kids are like 2 and 3, so I can't be too hard on them, obviously, but it's just nasty. Okay, so I really need your guys' opinion. I got these little signs. I thought it was cute. It said like farm fresh, organic bunny feed, and these little like egg planters with fake lavender. I thought they were kind of cute, but I honestly don't know if I love it. So I kept the tags on them, and I have a house plant, like a fake one behind there that I usually keep on my counter, but I don't know. Do you guys think it's cute, or do you think I should return it? I just can't decide. This is the last area of my house that I'm going to be deep cleaning. You probably are wondering why the hell I have stuff on the top of my fridge like that. And honestly, I hide stuff up there from my kids. So if they are playing with something they're not supposed to be, or like there's a hungry hippos up there and my daughter kept putting the ball, little things into her mouth, and I don't want her to choke, so I just threw it up there. So we literally hide like so much stuff up there, and it's turned into this like disaster. So I'm trying to clean it, and the top got so dusty. I tried to clean it with just a paper towel, a wet paper towel, and it literally wouldn't even budge. So I'm using this super powerful cleaning DIY that I made. It's a soft scrub, and it's all natural, and I'm telling you, I used that on there and it worked so well, like 10 times better than just like wiping it down with water or even just a cleaner. Like, this stuff works amazing. And don't think I clean like this all the time, because I'm not judging you if you don't clean the top of your fridge. Like, obviously people could care less. I never clean like this, but I knew it was dirty and I just needed to clean it because I knew it was dirty, so it just bugged me. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but it just like really bugged me. So I'm finally just like took everything off and cleaned it, and honestly I feel so much better. But I'm not mad at you if you don't clean the top of your fridge. Alright you guys, thanks for watching my video. I would really appreciate if you would hit the like button, if you would subscribe to my channel. Let me know what other cleaning videos you'd like to see, or what other type of videos you'd like to see. And I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I hope that I'm giving you guys some motivation to get your house clean. Cleaning can be so hard sometimes, especially when you have kids, so I definitely know the struggle, okay? You are not alone. Go follow me on my Instagram. I have great content on there. I post every single day. My stories, I post every day, so go check those out. My dog just had her puppies, so I post those videos of the puppies in my stories every day. If that's something you'd like to see, go check me out at Cushy 3Es. I put the handle down below. Go follow me, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye! Ready to go. Woohoo! Jump down. Whoa!